Hello mga besh, good morning. For today's vlog, we will be doing a vlog about my son answering the activities given by DepEd. Since we are now experiencing pandemic, so the school is sending us activities. It's just like kanang mga pre-activities or prerequisites for their lessons. So, enjoy watching! Okay. So for this one, kolori ang mga lingin aron maporma og numero nga 9. Oy, naminaw ka? Oh. Kolori ang mga lingin aron maporma og numero nga 9. You're going to color each circle so that we can form number
1.
What number is this?
Is
Number
8.
Namura.
Number 9.
Okay, number 9. So we're going to color each circle so that we can form number 9. Okay, sige, what color do you want to use?
Cebuano ko chart.
Oh, da. Each circle, each circle.
Oh, that's circle teacher.
Aray, oh. Sige na, dali, go.
Oh, teacher.
Careful, No! Each circle. You're not going to trace it. Each circle.
Now is
Na, kolore ang mga lingin. Aron, maporma og numero nga 9. You're going to color each circle. Kolore ang mga lingin.
Mana teacher.
Lingin is circle. Kare, sige na, color. Each. Okay, example, this one. Oh, color kani. Kani.
Number eyes.
Sige na, then another color na pod. Careful. Don't make it fast. You're in a hurry. Sinita slowly. Slowly. Okay. Sige. So we're going to trace that one later, because you said you're tired. Okay, so we're now in number... What number is this?
In 10.
Okay, number
10.
10. Okay.
Teacher.
Isulat ang saktong numero sa hanay. So, you're going to write the number
10.
if pila ka buo ane. So, you're going, for example, this one. Let's count.
1, 2, 4,
3,
5,
4,
5, 6, 7,
Okay, how many trees?
7.
Okay, 7. So, you're going to write here number 7. Sige na.
Teacher.
Oh, you're going to write number 7. Number
Teacher,
7, oh, Dira,
Is
oh.
play teacher is
Okay, we'll play later after you answer this one. Sige, 7 man. Sige, you write number 7 in the box. Go.
no need teacher.
Sige na.
No teacher
Jade
name.
Nathan. Number 7. How do you write number 7? Pareha ni, oh. Na, sige. Go. 7. Okay, very good. Okay, let's count this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, how many?
6.
Okay, 6. You write number 6. Okay. Sige. What are these? Leaves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, how many leaves?
9.
Okay, you write number 9.
Asa 9?
This one.
Okay, teacher.
Oh, very good, Jade Nathan. Okay, another one. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 4.
Number 4.
No, okay, 4.
And leading teacher.
Oh,
is
sige be, sige. How do you write number 4? Wow, Jade Nathan, you're good at numbers.
number L.
Okay. Sige, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 10.
Ah! No
Wow.
chocolates for today, ah.
Na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, 5.
And number 5 and C.
Oh.
Ling.
Slowly. No. No, that's number 6. You erase that. Slowly. Oops.
Number 5.
Okay. Thank you. So we're done with answering, and then let's continue tracing the numbers. You okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sige. Let's have a break and play. Say goodbye. Sige.
Bye-bye vlog. Bye-bye
See you
vlog.
later.
Tomorrow.
No, see you later, vlog.
See you vlog.
Bye.
Bye.
Ano?
Just eat service.
Nathan.
Asa candy one.
Hello everyone. So Jade is done with answering and coloring. Kay gikapoy ko na siya og tracing. So naami break karon kay he wants to play. So inga na ra gyud na in his own pace. We cannot force our children to kanang write and color kung kapoy sila kay magtantrums unya. So wala to, mag-play sa si Jade karon, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for the new uploads. Keep safe everyone. Bye!